Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome and thank you so much for joining me. I am an avid Amazon shopper. I'm a lazy shopper. I would much rather spend my time crafting than buying. I know a lot of you love to shop. You'll spend all day searching and putting stuff in your cart online, and that's super fun and great. But I am a one-clicker. But Christy Marcotte did a video with honeybee stamps and their paper. I didn't even realize they made paper. Honeybee Stamps is an Oregon company. I'm in Oregon. They're like not even an hour away from me. I had it shipped. I could have also had my husband pick it up when he was golfing. I just thought, well, it's gorgeous paper. It's made in Oregon. It was meant to be. I think for economic and also environmental reasons, we really need to think about where our stuff is made. So I get really excited when I see stuff that's made in the US. We can't ship everything around the planet all the time and assume that that's going to work out well. It just won't. Everything can't come from China all the time. And I remember when a lot more companies made in the US, like I still have stuff in my stash from my mind's eye that was made in the US. Now look at this stuff. So while I was ordering, I just added fun stuff. There are some things that I like, but I can't find in stores near me. And the Tonic Craft Perfect mirror cardstock is in that category for sure. I love this mirror cardstock. I've used it. It die cuts nicely. I'm always happy with it. Never disappointed. I have some other brands that I've purchased or picked up at garage sales, but I just really like this stuff. It's 5 sheets, and I think these are $3. I don't know, but it's not very expensive. And it comes in a lot of colors. I have about 3 versions of blue. There's also one that isn't shiny, but they were out of the silver. I think it's called Frosted. Now look at these. Look at these. Like I said, I'm a lazy shopper. I almost never take the time to set up a cart and an account, put in my credit card number, and shop. My friend Noni does tons of shopping, and I add on to her orders quite a bit. Many of the companies probably don't even know I exist, and that's fine. But this was definitely worth it to me to take the time to enter my stuff. This one is called Harvest Festival, so I'm getting ready for fall. Are you? I'm not ready for Christmas crafts yet. A lot of you have been doing that, but I am ready for fall. Ooh, I like how they do their pads because they put their paper right in order. And the first thing I do is take a pad apart and group the like papers anyway. Love that one. Can you see that it has a tone-on-tone pattern on it? This one does too. Love those leaves. Really fun. Okay, this is the one that Christy used. Christy Marcotte made a set of cards with this beach vibes. So I'm not even going to go through it because you should have seen it. But look at this one. Love it. She had some gorgeous cards. Then this one for my friend Katie, that is the bee lover. And I recently made a bee journal. I just thought the bee's knees, if I wanted to make her some more stuff. Plus, I loved the greens and teals. I'm not really a yellow fan typically, but in the bee journal that I made for her, I did enjoy the yellow. And I think when it's mixed with the right colors, it's just gorgeous. That is a strange paper. I don't know what's going on there. Oh, that's funny. So this pad is not the same type of thing where the like papers are grouped. It's put together in a different order. All 3 of these are made in the US. And like I said, the company's here in my state. And then the Craft Perfect, honestly, I didn't check China. But I do like it. I'm not going to say that I don't like it. Then, let's see. What else did I get? Oh, that's cute. They put the embellishments that I ordered in a... Oh, I remember. This is going to be cute. In a little bag. And you can use these little bags for Happy Mail. You can also use them as pockets in journals. So... And if it tore, that's okay. You can still use it. Okay, look at these. They're called Vintage Stars, and they're clay bits. So they're like those paw prints that I just recently got and used in my pet journal. And they're little stars. Look at those. I was thinking maybe for Christmas, they're not what I would call a true red. And I'm really, really picky about my Christmas reds, but I'll definitely use them for something. Then look at these. Oh my gosh. North Star clay bits. I'll show you the front so you know the package too. But then we're going to look at the back. Look at those. So you can use these in shakers, but I don't love to make shakers. I envision just gluing them on. I think they'll be great. Then they had washi tape on clearance, and this one was $1. I find that I use black and white washi tapes or really plain washi tapes more than I would have expected. Like the Dina Wakley black and white, I use a lot. So it was $1, and Tasha, a date with my craft room, she says that white washi tape's yellow, and I'm starting to think that she's right. The other thing about washi tape, don't leave it in your stash forever, is it gets kind of old and won't unroll. This one seems like it's going to be fine, but see how that exterior layer right there was a little more yellow? But I thought that would be just gorgeous, and it'll just go with just about anything. I like the black and whites to use in my journals if I need to adhere something, you know, put in a tip out, that sort of thing. I don't always have a color palette that matches, so I just use black and white. I shouldn't be such a freak about matchy-matchy, but I am. So again, this is my order from Honeybee Stamps. They are known, what I knew them for is they have adorable stamps and dies. Just really darling, especially if you like to color your stamps. They're fabulous for that. But I felt like I was completely out of the loop about their gorgeous papers. I should know paper, right? For as much as I buy and take paper seriously. I did have fun searching on their website. It was really easy to use, and it got here super fast. Now, granted, yours might take a little longer if you're not quite as close. In fact, I shipped it because my husband golfs in that area about once a week, and I didn't want to wait that long. I thought they would get it here faster, and they did. That's my order from Honeybee Stamps. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.